Hi my dear students, today we can do exercise 1B question number 10. A is a manufacturer of TV sets in Delhi. He manufactures a particular brand of TV set and marks it at rupees 75,000. He then sells this TV set to a wholesaler B in Punjab at a discount of 30%. The wholesaler B raises the mark price of the TV set bought by 30% and then sells to dealer C in Delhi. If the rate of GST is 5%, find tax paid by wholesaler B to the government. So A is a manufacturer of TV sets in Delhi. He manufactures a particular brand of TV set and marks it at 75,000. So given marked price is equal to, marked price is given as 75,000. So transaction is from A to B. After that it is from B to C. A manufacturer of TV set in Delhi. He manufactures a particular brand of TV set and marks it at 75,000. He then sells this TV set to a wholesaler B in Punjab. So B is in Punjab. Okay, at a discount of 30%. At a discount of 30% means what will be the selling price of the manufacturer? Selling price of the manufacturer is a manufacturer. So what will be the selling price? Marked price of that is 75,000. He is giving a discount of what? Discount is given as what? How much percentage? Discount is given as 20%. No. 20%. So, sorry, not 20, 30%. 30% discount. 30% discount. So, what will be the selling price of this manufacturer? SP of the manufacturer is equal to 30% discount means we have to pay 70%. So, 70% of which value? This marked price 75,000, that is 70 by 100 into 75,000, 0 cancel. So 70 into 750 is equal to 52500. So SP of the manufacturer is equal to 52500. So SP of the manufacturer is 52500. Given GST is what? 5% GST. Okay, if the rate of GST, last line, if the rate of GST is 5%, so GST is given as 5%. Since the transaction is from next step, what we want to write? Since the transaction from A to B, that means from Delhi to Punjab, is an interstate transaction. No, from Delhi to Punjab means it is an interstate transaction. Since the transaction from what? Delhi to Punjab, that is from A to B, transaction from A to B is an interstate transaction. Interstate transaction, IGST will be what? 5% GST, that is 5% IGST in rupees will be 5% of this selling price, that is 52500. That is 5 by 100 into 52500. Write down. So 2 zeros cancel. So it is 2625. IGST here is 2625. That is tax 2625. Then next what? Read that sentence. Then next what is? The wholesaler B raises the marked price of the TV set bought by 30%. So what? Dealer B So what will be the cost price here? CP will be same as SP, here 52500. Then what will be the new marked price? New marked price. That means here what he have done. So marked price or new marked price or SP we want to find out. So how can we do that? For that, read that sentence. The wholesaler B raises the marked price of the TV set. So what is the marked price of the TV set? It is given as what? We know already, it is given in the question, 75,000 marked price. What B have done is, the wholesaler B raises the marked price of the TV set bought by 30% and then sells to the dealer C in Delhi. So he raises the marked price to 30%. That means already 75,000 marked price is there. He added again 30% to this marked price. So what will be the new marked price? New marked price will be 75,000 already there. He raises that 30%. He raises the market price of the TV set bought by 30%. The wholesaler raises this marked price by 30%. So 30% extra. So 30% of which one? This marked price, 75,000. So new marked price is 75,000 plus he raises 30% also. So it will be 75,000 plus 30% of 75,000. 75,000 plus 30 by 100 into 75,000. So 30 by 100 into 75,000, that is 2 zeros can cancel. So 30 into 750 is 22500. So 75,000 plus 22,500 is 97,500. 97,500. That is the new market price. That is the new market price means it will be what? The selling price of B. It will be the selling price of B. He raises 30%. So new selling price will be, that is the selling price of B, new market price. That means the selling price of B is what? 97,500. So again the transaction is going on from B to C. GST is given as 5%. So how can we find the GST? From B to C, it is an interstate transaction. Delhi to Punjab is an interstate transaction. From Punjab to Delhi is also an interstate transaction. So here we want to find IGST. No. Or directly we can say it as GST. IGST. So IGST here it will be what? IGST. From since that also you want to write. Since the transaction from B to C is an interstate transaction, since the transaction from B to C is an interstate transaction, IGST is equal to 5% of which value we want to take? 5% of this selling price, 97,500. That is 5 by 100 into 97,500. 0 cancel, 4875. So this GST is 4875. So this is the output GST, output tax, and this is the input tax. What they asked to find out? Find tax paid by the wholesaler B to the government. Paid by the wholesaler B to the government. That means net GST paid by the wholesaler. Therefore, net GST paid by the wholesaler B. Wholesaler B is equal to output tax minus input tax. That is, output tax is what? 4875 minus 2625 is equal to 2250. 2250. So, rupees 2250 is the net GST paid by the wholesaler B. Question number 11. For a trader, market price of a refrigerator is 15,680 inclusive of GST at the rate of 12% on the market price. Gagan, a customer for this refrigerator, asked the trader to reduce the market price of the refrigerator to such an extent that its reduced price plus GST on it is equal to the market price of the refrigerator. Find the required reduction. So, what are the things given? For a trader, market price of the refrigerator. So, market price is given as 15,650. Okay. GST is given as 12% GST. 12% GST. So, for a trader, market price of a refrigerator is equal to 15,680 inclusive of GST at the rate of 12% on the market price. So, what is that 15,680? Inclusive of GST, including GST. That is, this 15,680, this market price means it includes what? GST. GST means the selling price plus GST is the total amount we are paying to that person. No. That means this market price 15,680 means it is the sum of which one? Selling price and that GST. How much GST we are paying to that particular thing plus that cost of that thing, selling price, is equal to 15,680. Clear? Selling price plus GST is what? 15,680. But we don't know the new market price of the refrigerator. Read the question. Gagan, a customer of this refrigerator, asked the trader to reduce the market price of the refrigerator. So, he asked the trader to reduce the market price. So, we don't know the new market price. That means we don't know the market price. He told to reduce the market price. So, what? Let the new market price, let the new market price of the refrigerator be is equal to X. Is equal to X. Once again, read that question. For a trader, market price of the refrigerator 15,680 inclusive of GST at the rate of 12% on the market price. Gagan, a customer of this refrigerator, asked the trader to reduce the market price of the refrigerator to such an extent that its reduced price plus GST on it is equal to the market price of the refrigerator. Read that sentence carefully. What is that? Refrigerator to such an extent that its reduced price plus GST is equal to the market price of the refrigerator. So, we don't know how much reduced, that is the new market price plus 12% of that market price, rate of 12 at a rate of 12% is given, no? GST at a rate of 12% on the market price. So X plus 12% of X is equal to the marked price. Again, a customer of this refrigerator asked the trader to reduce the marked price of the refrigerator to such an extent that reduced price plus GST on it. GST on it means GST is 12%. GST on it means 12% of this. GST on it is equal to the marked price of the refrigerator. So what is the marked price of the refrigerator? Is equal to marked price of the refrigerator is 15,680. We want to form an equation from that sentence. So X plus 12% of X is equal to 15,680. So X plus 12 by 100 into X is equal to 15,680. Taking LCM, so 100 X plus 12X divided by 100 is equal to 15680, that is 112X divided by 100 is equal to 15,680. We got the value of X, no? So X, let it be there in the left side itself. So X is equal to 15,680. Then this left side 112 divided by 100 becomes what? 100 divided by taking the reciprocal if you are taking the right side. So X is equal to what? Find out. So we got X is equal to 14,000. So what is that 14,000? That is the new marked price of the refrigerator. No, new marked price of the refrigerator. But what they asked to find out, we want to find how much reduction he got. That is required reduction we want to find out. So let Y be the price, reduced price. Let Y be the reduced price. Let Y be the reduced price. Gagan asked to reduce the price, no. So how much amount is reduced we want to find out. So what will be the new price? New price will be Y be the reduced price means what will be the new price? New price will be total is what? Total, that means market price is what? 14,000 and Gagan asked to reduce some amount. So that we assume it as Y. So that we want to reduce, no? 14,000 minus Y. So how much GST want to pay? What about this? GST for this new price will be what? GST in rupees. Rupees will be how much GST? 12% GST is giving, no? So 12% of which amount? 14,000 minus Y. 14,000 minus Y. So what is this 14,000 minus Y is the new price. Here also same as the previous case. We can write what? New price is 14,000 minus Y and GST is 12% of 14,000 minus Y. Sum of these two will be, that is the selling price, that is new price, plus that GST will be the new marked price, no? That we got it as 14,000. In previous case what we have done? We have given in the question, what is that? 15,680 is the marked price. Then told that what? The price plus new marked price plus 12% of that marked price is what? 15,680. Already we have done this. Same case we can apply here also. That means selling price plus GST. GST, that is selling price means marked price. No, new marked price. Selling price is known as the new marked price. That we have done. Same case we can apply here. Okay. So we got this 14,000 as a new price. New price is what? 14,000 minus Y. So GST for 14,000 is what? GST in rupees will be 12% of which amount? New price is what? New price we got it as 14,000 minus Y. That means total 14,000 is there and he is getting a reduction of Y. We assumed it as Y. So this is the new price. New price is 14,000 minus Y. So 12% of new price is what? New price is 14,000 minus Y plus 12% of which one? This value 14,000 minus Y is equal to 14,000. So 14,000 minus Y into we can write 14,000 minus Y plus 12% we can write it as 12 by 100 into 14,000 minus Y is equal to 14,000. From these two 14,000 minus Y is common. So we can take 14,000 minus Y, remaining what? Only 1 we can write. No, 1 plus 14,000 minus Y we took. So 1 plus 14,000 minus Y we took, remaining it will be 12 by 100 is equal to 14,000. So taking LCM, it will be what? 100 plus 12 divided by 100 is equal to 14,000. So 14,000 minus Y into 112 divided by 100 is equal to 14,000. We need Y. Y means what? We assume Y as the reduced price. That only we want to find out. No, how much reduction? So how can we find Y? For finding Y, keep this 14,000 minus Y there itself. Then take this to the right side. Already 14,000 is there. So it will become 100 divided by 112. Okay. So after cancellation, you will get the value of Y. 14,000 into 12 divided by 112, cancellation. So you will get it as 500 into 25. 14,000 minus Y is equal to 500 into 25. 500 into 25 is 12500. So 14,000 minus Y. So we can take this Y to the right side. So 14,000 minus 12500 is what? 1,500. So Y is equal to 1,500. That is the reduced price is equal to 1,500. So required reduction. Therefore, required reduction is equal to 1,500. Okay. Thank you all of you. You have completed this chapter, GST. Okay, thank you.